Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. In today's video, I have a clothing haul for you all after so long. This is going to be a long video, so I am thinking of dividing it in two parts. One being a Clovia dedicated video and the other one being a clothing haul from various different online portals. So yeah, if you want to know what I got from Clovia, then please keep on watching. Starting off with this haul video, I would like to mention that I will be leaving the links and my partner code which I have with Clovia down in the description box below, also on the screen somewhere right here. You will get additional discount, and I extremely am happy that you all can take the most out of it, especially when Clovia already has a lot of offers like buy 3 for 999, buy 3 for 799. Like, who doesn't want additional discounts? So yeah, go ahead and check them out. If you are purchasing from that website, do check out my coupon code so that you benefit from that. The first one is a balcony bra, and this is how it looks like. This is a padded bra without underwires and has detachable straps. Now the material overall is so comfortable and stretchy that you can use it on a daily basis without any hassle. And this is also having good coverage, so if you are someone who's having a little heavy bust, you can surely give this one a try. Next one again is a balcony bra, but this one is nude in color and the pattern is also a little different. This has underwires, which is not the case with the previous one, and the shape is also different than before. So this one does not provide extreme coverage, so I wouldn't recommend anyone with heavy busts to go ahead and purchase this sort of a pattern. But the comfort is again extremely top notch, and I would highly recommend you if you're okay with this sort of a bra and it suits your requirement. Now, one thing that stood out for me in both the previous items were the silicone lining given on top. Now, this just gives a better grip, and it just clings onto your skin, so it is really comfortable and gives a really nice shape. So yeah, a must try if you're looking for everyday lingerie. So yeah. Talking about everyday lingerie, the next one is a t-shirt bra, and this is how it looks like. This is not that fancy like the previous two ones for obvious reasons, but again, the quality is uncompromised for. I absolutely love how great this is for a daily purpose. This is a padded bra without any underwire, and it's really comfortable to wear underneath any of your t-shirt or shirt or anything of that sort. So yeah, a big thumbs up. My next purchase is a little unlike me. I usually don't prefer such colors when it comes to everyday essentials, but yeah, I thought, why not, let's do something different, and I got my hands on this one. This is a little fancy sort of a innerwear, and this is chatak pink in color, hot pink if I may say so. And this is having underwires. This is padded and it has a little net detailing on top. So overall it looks really nice, and again the feels and comfort level is superb. This is not a stretchy one, but the material is amazing, and in my opinion this would be great for brides as well. So yeah, I really like it. Next purchase was done to push me and give me that motivation to start working out. So no points for guessing. The next one is a sportswear, and this is how the sports bra looks like. This has padding in the front, and the back has a cut right here. I absolutely love the color. Like, I'm a sucker for pastels, and I extremely love how it is. The best part about this one is the material. If you are someone who works out or you are looking for a sports bra, please go ahead and give this one a try. I'm sure you'll come back and thank me in this video. The material is so good, and for the pricing, I mean, I'm absolutely stunned. I really like this and I would highly recommend you this. The last item was a free gift which I received with my purchase, and this is how it looks like. Now I don't know what do you specifically call this, but this is a free size sort of a thingy which is so stretchable. The color is such a nice royal blue and the material is extremely great. Now how I would probably use this is if you are not feeling like wearing a bra and you still want a little support and a little coverage, you can wear this and just escape from the hassle of wearing one. So yeah, basically this is heaven, and I really liked the free gift. Who doesn't like free gifts? So I really liked it, and yeah, I loved the entire haul. There was not a single item which was disappointing. I really liked the material. In comparison to my previous Clovia haul video and this one, I feel the material and the pattern and everything, Clovia is just upping their game. So I really liked it, and I would highly recommend you all to check their website, especially the kind of offers that are available on that website. I have never seen such offers, and the kind of quality, like I've personally tried, so I can surely vouch for the quality and everything. So yeah, with that, we finished the part 1 of my clothing haul video. Do look out for the part 2. I have a lot of office wears and a lot of cute tops in that haul video. So yeah, with that, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.